glow, lonely skies as storm winds blow. Raindrops fall, the silence breaks, clouds drift slow with hearts that ache. Wistful winds call out your name, each drop whispers love and pain. Where the stars once softly shone, now I walk this night alone. Where did the sunshine go? Why did the night steal your soul? You're in someone else's arms tonight, while I hold shadows in the light. And though my heart still calls your name, you've gone away with no one left to blame. Dreams of us come back so clear, your soft voice still lingers near. But you're gone with morning's rise, leaving tears beneath these skies. In the moon's pale silver glow, I saw you turn, I let you go. Your promises now fade and blur, as the rain repeats our whisper. Where did the sunshine go? Why did your love feel so cold? You're in someone else's arms tonight, and I'm just a ghost beneath the light. But still I'd wish for one last try, though in my heart I know goodbye. Now midnight weeps with me again, alone beneath the falling rain. And in my dreams you fade away, like moonlight lost at break of day.